At Gala Tent, we always and have always recommended that our customers do not leave their shelters erected all year round. If bad weather's coming, we recommend that you take down your marquee or gazebo or remove the covers to avoid accidental damage. Our manufacturer's warranty is not covered by damage caused by misuse, and our terms and conditions state this, as do the product instructions and informational articles on our website. Therefore, whether you have had the product for a month or 11 months, if it is damaged or degraded through consistent use in all weathers, it is not covered by that warranty. We recently received an inquiry from a customer who admitted that they had consistently used a Gala shade gazebo in all weathers over their hot tub.
It's not been closed down. It's never come back down because it's over my hot tub.
Eventually, the canopy suffered damage in the centre apex point and the customer attempted to claim a replacement under warranty, which we had to reject. Our after-sales team suddenly found themselves under a barrage of threats from the customer, who claimed to have 100,000 followers on Instagram. And if we didn't agree to replace the covers at no cost, they would attempt a chargeback request with the bank and use their 100,000 follower platform to irreparably damage our reputation.
I'll tell you what's going to happen to this if this is not resolved. This is going social media. We've got over 100,000 followers on Instagram. How do you think that's got to go down? The negative feedback on social media. If you see negative feedback on social media tonight, you'll know who it is. It's me.
The customer called back every day demanding to speak to our company owners so they could repeat their threat. Eventually, they began to leave negative reviews on all platforms, and their family members also left negative reviews. They began to share videos of their damaged product in comments on our social media posts. Our message is this: we will not be bullied into action under blackmail of negative social media exposure, no matter what size of audience that you have. Blackmail is blackmail and we're making a stand. Let us know if you and your business have experienced bullying and pressure from people who aim to use their platform irresponsibly to get what they want.